Let's change image duration in Premiere Pro. So here's I'm adding a image in my timeline, and as you can see, this all image default duration is only 5 seconds. Now if you want to increase duration in timeline, just hover over on the last part on your image clip and just increase your duration just like this. And if you want to change your all image default duration, then go to edit, hover over on preferences and click on timeline. In here we can see still image default duration. From here you can easily go ahead and change duration. I'm giving here 10 and make sure here select seconds. Now I'm clicking on OK. Now I have to delete my all images here. Now you have to close your Premiere Pro completely and then relaunch your Premiere Pro. Open your project, and now this time if I open any image in my timeline, let's see what happened. Let's add this image. As you can see, this image duration is now 10 seconds. That's it.